The yoga wheel allows you to target core muscles and build up strength and balance where it wasn't before. You can basically find tons of uses for it that would help you keep yourself healthy in the day-to-day anxiety-ridden environment. There are many types of products from which it is very difficult for you to get a good quality yoga wheel. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which yoga wheel is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Optical 7 Yoga Wheel. Unquestionably, the Optical 7 Yoga Wheel, the company that specialized in yoga equipment, should be named the master of comfort. Because of the padding on its outside surface, and the plastic injection it is made of, the wheel keeps its flexibility. This material makes the tool sweat-proof, allowing prolonged usage without the wheel becoming slick. We also know that you'll want to utilize the Dharma wheel to its fullest potential. Because the wheel can sustain up to 550 pounds, there is no possibility that you won't be able to utilize it for your yoga practice with your complete body on it. You can ask your friends to join you, because the wheel can hold 1 to 2 more people without endangering their safety who weigh less than 200 pounds. Number 2. Accumulability Yoga Wheel. The fact that a chiropractor created this wheel says more than words could possibly express. Do not be turned off by its eccentric design. The bumps added to the wheel are meant to cause you to experience muscle pressure in a different way than you would with any other wheel. You can release tension by pressing on the trigger points when rolling out, and we guarantee that your spine will thank you for it. Your glutes, arms, legs, and more will all be worked out by this accumulability yoga wheel. This piece will never break because it can support up to 1,000 pounds of weight. Even if you chose to roll over with the wheel, or if your kids decide to jump on it, it will still be safe. If you practice at home, or bring it to the gym, you won't have to wait long to see results. Number 3. Rear Head Yoga Wheel. You can considerably enhance your general health by doing yoga at sunrise and sunset with the Rear Head Yoga Wheel. The TPE foam mix used to make the wheel reduces perspiration absorption, allowing for stress-free and pleasurable practice. Whether you adore headstands or prefer strengthening your core and bending your hips and shoulders, the light weight of this equipment won't let you slip at any point throughout your yoga session. You may push your body and attempt poses you've been putting off thanks to this wheel. It is designed to have antibacterial properties that prolong the interval between wheel wipes. However, a short clean will enough if it does become filthy. Number 4. Optical 7 Yoga Wheel. The ideal option for you, if the sheer quantity of yoga wheel substitutes on the market overwhelms you, is a set of 3 wheels made by Optical 7. These 3 wheels, which have diameters of 6, 10, and 12, may be used on every part of the body you can think of, including the shoulders, neck, and back. The removal of knots that have developed as a result of bad posture and tension may be difficult to achieve in those small constricted regions, but it need not be. These wheels can hold up to 550 pounds of weight, have a lot of cushioning, and are flex resistant. Because there are no longer any dangerous postures or actions when using this equipment, there are extremely little chances that you may strain a muscle. Get your muscles working by picking the right wheel for the area you want to stretch. Number 5. Azure Yoga Wheel. Without a doubt, the yoga wheel made by Azure looks the most authentic. The inviting smoothness of the surface and the soft cushioning on the wheels outside both scream yoga. There are very few wheels that can support 500 pounds as much as this one. The challenging poses won't give you the sensation that the floor is going to give way or that your body is ready to give way. Instead, it comforts you and supports your spine, allowing your body to unwind more rapidly than it would without the wheel. Cork's ability to withstand perspiration and unpleasant odors also increases your satisfaction with the workout. In essence, every little detail comes together to offer you the best workout imaginable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.